Good morning, with the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks were mixed on Friday, with gains in Japan and Hong Kong offsetting declines in Australia at the end of a broadly negative week for the region stocks. In China, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index gained 0.03% and the Shanghai Composite fell 0.34%, though Chinese consumer prices rose slightly less in April than expected. Australia's ASX 200 was down 0.6% in trading, as the index retreated from a 0.8% gain on Thursday, its biggest rise in a month. Elsewhere in Asia, South Korea's Kospi rose 0.1%. Japan's Nikkei 225 added 0.6% as the market recovers from weak trading earlier in the week. US stocks ended mixed to lower overnight. The Dow 30 rose 0.20%, the S&P 500 index fell 0.14%, while the Nasdaq Composite index fell 0.40%. As many expected, the European Central Bank left rates unchanged at 0.5% overnight, with the 17-nation euro rallying to a high of 1.3992 briefly after the announcement. In a move which was short-lived, lows of 1.3832 quickly came into play after ECB President Mario Draghi primed investors for even looser monetary policy next month, with the threat of inflation still stalking economies which are only just out of recession. Stopping short of guaranteeing the market of June rate drop, the questions around timing now have been clearly addressed. Whilst the euro opens weaker this morning at 1.3834, the greenback is steady against the yen at 101.64. Today's data calendar is light. Stock markets are struggling at important resistance levels, and the euro-US dollar posted a possible reversal day, so technical trading and the few European data releases should drive the day. UK March trade balance 8:30 GMT. The March goods trade deficit is expected to narrow slightly to 8.8 billion GDP from 9.1 billion GDP in the previous month. Essentially, the deficit is just oscillating between 8 and 10 billion GDP, and there are no signs of the situation reversing anytime soon. The Bank of England has stated it is concerned about the continuing external deficit, of which goods trade is only a part. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.